Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule. Today we are going to discuss about the regulatory bodies of different countries. We can expect a question from this in GPAT 2021. Coming to country number 1, USA, United States of America, and its regulatory body is Food and Drug Administration, US FDA. Food and Drug Administration, US FDA. The regulatory body of Australia is TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. So the regulatory body of Australia is Therapeutic Goods Administration, and this bit is asked in 2016 question paper of GPAT exam. Next, the regulatory body of Europe is European Commission, Directorate General for Health and Consumer, and European Medicines Agency. That is European Commission, Directorate and second one is European Medicines Agency. That is EMA. And for United Kingdom, regulatory body is Medicines and Health Products Regulatory Agency. MHRA, Medicines and Health Products Regulatory Agency. And coming to Japan, it is Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, PMDA. Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices. So for Japan, the regulatory body is PMDA, Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency. And it has another regulatory body, that is Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare, MHLW. Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare. MHLW. The regulatory body of Canada is Health Products and Food Branch. Health Canada. It is written in shortage HPFB HC. The question may not be asked in the full form. It is asked in HPFB HC. What is the regulatory body? Which country it belongs to, like that. What is the regulatory body of Canada? In the options we can see it as HPFB HC, not the full form. So we must be aware of the full form and the short form abbreviation. We must be aware of the abbreviated form and the short form. Next, coming to India, the regulatory body is CDSCO. Guys, you know this. There is no need to say. But for this video sake, I am saying it is Central Drug Standards Control Organization. We will revise this once again. Coming to USA, the regulatory body is Food and Drug Administration, in short US FDA. And coming to Australia, it is TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. And coming to Europe, it is European Commission, Directorate General for Health and Consumers, DG SANCO, and European Medicines Agency, EMA. Coming to Japan, it is PMDA, Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, and Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare, MHLW. Coming to UK, it is Medicines and Health Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA. And coming to Canada, it is Health Products and Food Branch, Health Canada, HPFB HC. And that of India is CDSO, Central Drug Standards Organization. That is for today, guys. Please be motivated and read it thoroughly and note it down on a paper and practice it thoroughly so that it will be noted in the mind. There is no need to revision for it again in future. Thank you guys. Please watch and do subscribe and keep sharing, keep supporting me. Success is near to us, and you should be regular to my channel so that you will be aware of these kind of questions that are asked in GPAT.